Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape, where we turn outdoor landscape dreams into reality and we solve landscape drainage problems. And I want to help you understand what we got going on here today. This beautiful custom dry creek bed being brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping. And this was necessary, folks. We're right here in the Bentwater, Seven Hills area, Paulding County in specific, which is where we're located. And we're dealing with the water that was coming from the neighbor's yard, as well as that which was falling from the path of least resistance. And now that water is able to go through this custom built dry creek bed that I created that allows for that water to not only be slowed down, but also to be contained and taken to the back of this landscape, where it can then be placed into the natural ravine that is already on this landscape. Now, these are just some of the ways in which we continue to solve our customers' landscape drainage problems, but it's the reason why we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around, because we make dirt look good like you never thought we could. Now, if you need a better example of that, you would look no further than that of what you see here with this custom design and this dry creek bed. It says that we've been able to take the water that was once falling to the path of least resistance on this landscape and provide this customer with a drainage solution that was going to last a lifetime. That's right, I do mean a lifetime, folks. We're not that company that comes out and does the job, then we have to come back out, do the job again. That's just not us. We're going to provide you with a solution that's absolutely going to be one that sustains itself for a lifetime, but most importantly, it's going to solve your landscape drainage problem so that you can begin to move to other ways in which you can utilize your backyard. Now, we're going to be moving to phase 2 on this landscape, but it's not going to include any landscape drainage. It's only going to include the outdoor entertainment, and that's where we start. We solve your landscape drainage problem, and then we move toward your outdoor entertainment. Now, this is something that we are so thankful that we were able to do for the customer, a military veteran, and also one whom has had so many difficulties with the home builder, that it was a pleasure to be able to come in as a reputable landscaping company and provide a solution that they would feel comfortable in. And it also says that if you're in the Paulding County, the Bentwater, the Seven Hills area, and you're looking for a better way to deal with your landscape drainage, well, guess what, guys? You don't have to look far. The professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, we've been in business for over a decade, and if you ever get bored, I just want you to type in Brooks Landscaping dry creek bed on Facebook and or Google, and you'll see a tremendous amount of videos, over 200 videos of what we've been able to do over a consistent period of time, giving our customers more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. And that's exactly what we were able to do on this job, and that's the reason why we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around. As you can see, this dry creek bed takes itself all the way down to that natural ravine, but I want to take you through this dry creek bed so that you can understand the design. Now, you're going to see a lot of twist and turn in this design, and that's necessary so that we can position ourselves to be able to slow the water down. So anytime water takes on a new direction, it's going to be slowed down tremendously, as well as with this 4 to 8 inch river rock. You see that rock there, that big 4 inch to 8 inch river rock? Well, the sediment inside of that rock, guys, is enough to be able to suck up a tremendous amount of water. So as this water moves through the dry creek bed, it's also going to be able to be dealt with most appropriately by being sucked up within this design. But these are just some of the things that we provide for our customers, and one of the ways in which we've been able to give them back their outdoor living experience. And it definitely says that if you're in the same position and you're looking for a landscape drainage solution, you don't have to look far. We're right here in your backyard, right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we've been turning dreams into a reality for over a decade now. This was a one-day job that took us less than that of a day, and it allowed this customer to be in a position so that the next day it rains, they'll be able to see the entire magnitude of what we've been able to do. So if that's you, you're in a landscape drainage problem, you got a landscape drainage problem, we have a landscape drainage solution, and we want you to make sure that you reach out to us so that we can provide you with a free consultation in order to solve your landscape drainage needs. All brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.